What's up, everyone? We have Wednesday, April 15th training. We're actually going to talk about the warm-up today. So we're going to start out with 2 sets, 10 side-to-side hops plus 10 front-to-back hops. And we have 10 alternating skater squats. So these first 2 movements, it's good to move from side to side, front to back. Most of the stuff that we do in our training is just up and down. So if we can get you in these other planes of movement, it's going to be good for you. Then we have 10 frog pumps. So that's going to be like a glute bridge, but with your feet together. It's going to be good for activating your glutes and your hamstrings today. And then we have 10 up downs. So we're just trying to take the hips through some flexion and extension before our strength work. So for our strength work today, we have every 4 minutes for 3 sets, 10 dumbbell, kettlebell, or BP, standing for backpack Romanian deadlifts, then 5 wide stance goblet squats, 5 normal stance goblet squats, and then 5 narrow stance goblet squats. So wide meaning take your feet a few inches wider than your normal stance, normal being whatever is normal for you, whether that is under your shoulders or under your hips or a few inches in between or somewhere, right outside one of those positions. Then we have narrow, so going fairly narrow together if we can, or almost together. All of your squats today will have a 3-second down tempo, 1-second pause at the bottom, explode up, take a breath at the top. You will end your set with 10 dumbbell or kettlebell or backpack glute bridges. So you will just place your weight in your lap and then drive your hips to the ceiling. Our Metcon today is going to be 3 rounds, 50 double unders or 50 broomstick hops. So you can jump lateral over the broom or front to back. Also, as always, you can scale the number of double unders there if you need to make a modification. Rest 20 seconds, then you'll go into 40 V-ups, or if we're still working on getting our hands to our toes, so that's going to be the standard for that, is we want to see the fingers touch the toes in the middle of our body. Then you can just go with a tuck up. So we'll just be going from that hollow position into a crunch position. You'll then rest 20 seconds. And we have 30 dumbbell, kettlebell, or backpack Cossack squats. So we do these pretty often in warm-ups. You guys should be familiar with this, but it's just another way for us to get a dose of some single leg work, which is always good for us. You'll just hold your weight on the front of your body during the Cossack squat, and it's 30 total, not per leg. Then we have, after another 20-second break, 20 box jumps. So if you don't have something like a step in the front of your house or a porch or some steps in your apartment that you could hop on, then try to get creative. Find an object that is somewhere between 8 to 20 inches high and try to jump over it, okay? That's gonna be a substitution for today on the box jump, because we're just wanting to get that explosive hip extension during that movement. Then you're gonna end the round with 10 devil press or burpees to a target, which would be 6 inches out of your reach. So if we don't have any equipment, we're going to be doing the burpees to a target. If we have a single dumbbell or a single kettlebell, you can alternate sides as you see fit. Okay, so if you want to do 5 on the left and 5 on the right, or if you want to alternate every rep, that's fine with us. Okay, we'll take another 20-second rest break before you go into round number 2. Okay, so we have these rest breaks implemented today on purpose. We're wanting you guys to focus on your movement quality, make sure that everything looks good. What can happen is can start to get a little bit sloppy with no built-in rest sometimes. So today we're really trying to hone in on the quality of that movement while still getting an elevated heart rate, okay? All right, guys, let's have fun, get after it.